Abattoir is French for slaughterhouse. And here in the French city of Vincennes, Indiana, what but our name? We've been coming here every year for the last several years, and this place has actually got quite a few animatronics and some pretty awesome scares inside. Every year they change the theme to something different, and it's getting ready to sprinkle a little bit of rain here, so without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares. Time to go in.
Thank you. All right. Please wait for your tour guide. Oh, that's the tour guide.
Oh my.
Is that the tour guide?
Tour guide? There's no tour guide here, you sad fools.
You're pretty sad fools.
What are you waiting for?
They said to sit here and wait for their instructions.
That's the
You're
instructions.
such good dogs for following orders.
Yeah.
Now continue or leave, I don't
Okay.
care which.
Oh, okay, all right.
Okay. Oh, beware the dog. Oh, gosh. That dog.
Oh, that's a big doggy. That's a big doggy.
Okay, so they said there would be a door. Not that way.
Uh-oh, somebody's coming out there.
I think
She's pointing
maybe this way. Nope.
through the...
That's a window. Nope.
Oh, maybe the door?
That.
Maybe the portrait?
that?
No.
She's pointing at it.
Oh,
it's a
who would have
secret
thought?
portrait.
Huh. That's
you.
cool.
Ghosts
Ew,
are helping us
spiders.
through.
Yuck. Oh my God, we gotta find our way through every one.
Maybe the...
So,
Oh, there's a big
That's
statue
staff
of
only.
a wolf over there. Let's try the secret opening in the wall trick again.
that's it.
Try that over here.
This is it.
this
Oh,
one.
you got it? Okay.
What in the world?
Library?
What is that?
Phone's ringing.
I am not afraid to die. Somebody pick up the phone.
Do we?
It's a blasting little...
Hello?
Nobody answered.
Still looking at us.
Uh-oh, I hear something. Whoa. Oh. No. Oh, God, what is in there?
Fireplace.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh. What is that?
Whoa. Reach out the
Yeah.
That's Lieutenant Dan.
You guys are gonna love this.
Oh, I don't know.
That's not the door.
Uh-oh.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my.
What's the rush?
I don't think he wants you to go that
That's-
way.
Like you got somewhere to be.
That doesn't really look like our dinner.
Too bad!
Oh, okay. Oh,
he's
geez.
gonna- oh.
What are you doing?
Just
Oh.
stabbed all in there.
Oh, God. Oh.
Come on. You're in such a rush. You should get a bite before you go.
No, that's okay.
Eat it!
I'm okay. No, thank you.
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh,
He
gosh.
seems frustrated.
Well, the door ain't over
He's
there.
mad that we
I
didn't.
think we have to go that way. Yep.
maybe so.
Okay, maybe. Oh, he's coming for Joanna.
Oh, no.
Okay, we're going into the
Nope.
kitchen.
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh my.
Oh, there's hands and heads in jars. Okay, there's some tea.
You don't want us in here.
Ooh, look in there. He's got a whole collection.
Whoa.
What is that?
Somebody's in there.
Oh, God. Okay, creepiness. No. It's a cannibal's laundry room. You know.
You gotta clean up the blood somehow.
They're not doing a very good job. Oh, Lord Almighty. What is that?
Cleaning the toilet.
Yeah.
Huh.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh, it's just us.
she's alive. Nobody's there. Oh,
Oh.
Get in the shower?
No. Get in the shower.
okay, get in the shower.
There's a...
Oh,
Oh, another... All the secret...
I like. Oh. We went through the shower. What in the world? Oh, she's back
She
there.
followed us in here.
I thought we were
Such a creepy
clean.
looking
were clean,
face. I
we're
love
good.
it. Are you sleeping? Don't wake the baby.
Don't wake the baby.
Don't wake it. I like how it's blood and glowing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Well,
neat.
it's the black light. Blood glows in the black light, right?
Uh-huh.
For bodily fluids.
He's
yes.
waiting for us in the
That's what they say.
basement.
Oh. Okay. Oh, that one's Ooh, she's a
It's a ghost.
Ooh. That was a good place to hide there. Oh. I think
sure
she
is
needs to bring
raining.
that brush in here.
Yep.
Whoa. Woo! Holy cow. That's a good one. Closet. That was good. Yeah! We're gonna get the baby.
Ooh, this
Going
is
in the basement.
creepy.
Hell, it ain't got creepy yet.
Oh, I see Spideys.
Oh, God.
Oh, we gotta crawl in there? Oh my.
Yeah. Oh, there's meat in here. What the fuck? Woo! That got me so good.
So sorry! I hope my mother didn't frighten you!
She tried to bite us. She totally did.
You all look perfect to become fuel for the hound!
No.
Fuel!
Your soul is wired!
Oh, gosh.
Move quickly!
The mice are not nice.
No. If we stay in there too long, we'll look like them.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he came to life.
You can't see me, but I can see you. If you turn on your light, you will be taken away.
Okay, don't turn on the light, Tyler. Oh my God, there's something over here.
You can't see me, but I can see you.
Whoa! She just whacked me. She kicked me.
Your friends!
Yeah. Oh.
Flesh to consolidate with!
Oh, so you got some over there. Uh-oh. I think we're trapped in here.
I am in. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Tainted flesh!
Oh. Tainted
He
blood.
doesn't like that fun. Okay.
We don't know how to get out.
Right here.
Oh.
Oh, we gotta push
Threw me out of here.
Don't come back!
Okay. I guess he didn't like our skin.
No, he said my
But I liked his
flesh was
skin
tainted.
face. That's creepy.
It is.
I don't want to go in there though.
Right? Oh, he's on us!
Oh! I didn't even know there was something in here. Wow! Oh, good God! What is this thing?
Oh, it's really bright.
Oh,
Oh, he wants one of us in the chair. Nora, you're up. I don't know about it. Oh, we're gonna smile for the camera. Oh.
because of the wall. See him on the wall?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, he's gonna kill me.
All the people, yeah.
It's a creepy
That
room.
was really creepy. And look at all the other people that sat and smiled. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's that room.
Oh my.
So that's what happened.
That's
in
the
that
room. I'm glad we got out of there.
Wow.
Oh my God. I'm glad we got out.
From. Uh-oh. Door slamming around. And there's people watching.
That one's nervy.
Yeah.
Aw, they're holding hands.
I think
That
he
is
really likes it. Look at him.
creepy.
He's smiling.
Yeah, I think he likes it too.
Smiling and shaking.
That got me really good.
Oh my.
Popcorn, that's Pop Rat.
He's gonna pop something besides us.
Look at that guy. Oh, there's their dungeon down there. See it? We didn't even get to go in the
yeah, the
darkest parts
skeletons
of the
on the
dungeon.
stairs.
Ew.
That creepy.
Uh-oh.
All right, guys, well, that was it for Abattoir here in Vincennes, Indiana. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If you come out and see Abattoir this year, definitely tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you want to see our full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We're going to head on off to the next one. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.